morning to everyone, girls. Here we need to calculate the break-even point. So they have asked the break-even point here. Given informations are fixed expenses, variable cost per unit and selling price per unit has given. So whether we are going to find out in rupees or units, we have to determine that. So here, how to find out this? For this, the formula to find out the break-even point. We are having several formulas for break-even point. First, we write down the formula in units. So units, fixed expenses divided by contribution per unit. Okay. Here in the problem itself, we are having the fixed expenses 1,50,000. So first write down that. Then we need to find out the contribution per unit. Okay. For this, selling price minus variable cost only, we are getting the contribution. Here in this information or in this problem, we are having the selling price per unit and variable cost per unit, which is so 15 minus 10. So 15 minus 10, we get 5 as a contribution per unit. Okay. So we are getting the informations for the formula, which is fixed expenses and contribution. This you have to apply here. Fixed expenses 1,50,000 divided by contribution per unit, which is 30,000. You should write here as units. Okay. Without writing this, we are not able to get full mark. So write down that whether it is the units or rupees. Then if it is possible, we are able to find out the rupees, break-even point in rupees means we will proceed that. So here we tried fixed expenses divided by contribution per unit into selling price per unit. Or you may write fixed expenses divided by contribution into sales. So that's one more problem. Here we are having only per unit information. So we write here as per unit information. So this is 1,50,000 fixed expenses divided by contribution 5 into selling price 15. We get break-even point in rupees is 4,50,000. So this is a way to find out the break-even point in rupees as well as in units. So these information or this sum is a repeated one in your university examination. So please take a note of this, and it's a very simple one. Next is sum. So this is the next one. Calculate break-even point. Problem mostly they don't mention whether we need to calculate in rupees or units. We have to find out whether we are able to find out in rupees or units. If you are able to find out in both, then we can calculate in both. If you are able to find out in only units, then units. If only in rupees, then we proceed with rupees only. So in this problem, we need to find out sales is there, fixed expenses there, variable expenses. All these three we have to sum up. So with this information, we are able to find out here the break-even point in rupees only. Per unit means we need a unit cost here. The unit cost is not available. So the fixed expenses in the problem they have given us 1,50,000, and the contribution sales minus variable cost. The sales is 6 lakhs directly given. Variable cost we have to sum up all these things. 2 lakh, 1,20,000 and 8. 3 plus 1 4. So the 4 lakh we have to less, which is 2 lakh is a contribution in rupees. So write down this rupees and units properly. Break-even point in rupees is equal to 1,50,000 is a fixed expenses divided by contribution is this one 2 lakh into sales. Okay, sales is 6 lakh. We get 4,50,000 as a break-even point in rupees. Okay, good.